What's the meaning of chirpy? Chirpy. Chirpy.
Chirpy. Chirpy. The word chirpy is an adjective that describes someone or something that is cheerful and lively, often with a tendency to be talkative or chatty. A person who is chirpy might have a positive outlook on life and be enthusiastic about even the smallest things. A chirpy song or melody is one that is upbeat and easy to listen to. Birds are often described as chirpy because of their happy-sounding chirps and tweets. Overall, chirpy evokes feelings of happiness, energy, and positivity.